The Irate Gamer is so awesome. He is so cool. He is so epic. He is so original. He is the best. He's reviewed the latest hottest and the latest old games. The Irate Gamer is really sticking to his originality. He is the next best thing to Chris Crocker. Ooh yeah! I love the Irate Gamer. Fuck all the angry video game nerd fans out there. Irate Gamer is the best. And he is the way to go. The Irate Gamer is really making it big in life. Everyone should look up to him. One day, I would like to be like him. The Irate Gamer is the best. He is epic. He is original. I enjoy watching all his videos, and I must say they are very funny. Who doesn't love someone who is funny and original at the same time? And to all his haters, fuck you, and get a life seriously. These are things ye are not, and I will repeat. Things ye are not, a copier, a poser, a bad actor, unfunny, and he is definitely not, and I repeat, not a rip-off video game reviewers.